Hello everyone. So today we are going to make a Python handheld calculator. So we are writing a Python program that can simulate a simple calculator using the console as the exclusive input and output device. Read the whole problem and we will go and solve the particular problem in our Python IDE. So here we are going to define our calculator function. So define calculator in which and here we need to print the messages in a screen variable. First of all, we will print a welcome message and also few instructions. So print welcome to handheld Python calculator, right? And next we need to have some instructions for the users. Enter enter E to exit the calculator and C to clear the screen, right? And next we need a screen variable that will store all the outputs that we are going to show to the user, right? The calculations and all the stuff, etc. So we need a screen variable. Screen is equal to the empty string, right? And next we need a loop, and the loop will execute until and unless we press the E unless we enter E as input, right? So for this we need a while loop which will we will initialize this as true, and we will in this we will take some input from the user, and according to this input, on the base of this input we will take decisions. And decisions for the decision we will use the FL structure. Suppose if user press E, inputs E, then we will exit the loop, will exit the calculator, and if user press C, then we will clear the screen. And if user enters suppose 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 3 some expressions, then we will calculate the sum and returns it to the user. So for this to be achieved, we will take input from the user, and then we will use the FL structure to perform and take decisions basis on that input, right? I hope you're understanding what I am trying to say. User input will remove the underscore, equal to input enter a number, operator like enter a number with operator, plus minus multiply and divide, right? Next we will use the FL structure to take decisions. If user input equals to we have enter E to exit, so if it equals to E, then we will exit the calculator, right? Print exiting the calculator, right? And we will break the loop, so it will end the program. And next if we press C, then it should clear the screen. So elif, if anyone enters this C, elif user input equal to C, then what will be the functionality? It will clear the screen. So we should reset the screen variable to the empty string, right? So screen equals to empty string, and we print the message that the screen is cleared. The screen is cleared. And next, and the most important part, that when we enter an expression like 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3 and something like this, so it should calculate the result and display it on our screen, right? So last we have the else structure, else we have if we enter something, then it should be stored in the screen variable, right? So screen variable we have plus equals to user input. And next we will use a built-in library of Python. So we will use the Python eval. The Python eval is a built-in function that allows us to evaluate the Python expression as a string and return the value as an integer. Programmer can use the Python eval function to dynamically evaluate expressions passed as a string argument to the built-in function. So when we input something like 2 plus 3 and 4 plus 5, it will return the sum value of these two integers, right? Let's see how it works. So we will implement our functionality. We will use a try and accept to see if it works or not. So result is equal to evolve screen, right? And we need to print out our result. We will use the f string result result is equal to result yes, and we will use the except catch to print the same again. Let's run our code. Let's call our function here calculator and see if it works or not. Enter a number. Welcome to the handheld Python calculator. Enter A to exit and C to clear the screen. Enter a number with operator, right? We will enter 1 plus 2, result 3. Yes, it's working good. And we need to subtract 2. We came up with 1. And now we need to add 100. Yes, it's working pretty cool. And now we want to clear our screen, so we enter C. The screen is cleared. Now I want to enter plus 1. It's working well. And now we want to exit the calculator, so I press E. So the calculator and the function has been terminated. So that's all about our problem, and that's all about our code. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you have learned something from this video. So see you in the next video.